Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. From January 2026, Nigeria is entering a new tax era. Government has already passed new tax reform laws that will fully kick in 2026. Now, government goal is simple. Number one goal, they want to track your money better. Number two, reduce tax evasion. Then number three, to increase government revenue. But the real truth is, if you don't understand how money is labeled in your bank account, you may pay tax on money that is not income. And that's where many Nigerians will suffer, especially the freelancers, POS operators, small business owners, crypto traders, online sellers, salary earners, who do some side hustle, and people receiving family support from abroad or within Nigeria. So what does taxable income really mean? Taxable income means money you received because you worked, sold something, or probably rendered a service. For example, you design a logo, client pays you, that's taxable. You sell shoes, customer pays you, that's taxable. You do POS service, you charge 200 naira, that's also taxable. But here is where people get it all wrong. Not all money entering into your account is taxable. Government knows this, bank knows this, tax people also knows this. The problem is your bank narration or description or remark is what tells the system what the money sent to you is for. Now, if the narration is wrong or empty, the system will assume, well, this is income, so let's tax it. And you should also realize that with the new tax system, banks now share more data with the tax authorities. Transactions are analyzed in bulk. AI and other software can scan and track patterns. Now, keep this in mind. They don't know you personally. They only see amount of transaction, frequency, narration, and the account behavior. So here are 6 simple and legal payment description you should be using to identify your transaction going forward. Number one, family sending you money. When your family or friends is trying to send you money, the narration should be gift or family support. Why? Because gift and family support are not income. So if the sender writes payment or for you or doesn't write anything at all, the system may flag it as income. And you know what? Income gets taxed. Number two, friends paying back money they owe you. Now, the correct narration for this is refund or reimbursement, meaning the money is not profit, it's your money coming back. So it's not actually taxable. Number three, transferring your own money. Now, for instance, you move your own money from, let's say, savings account to current account or from one bank to another. The correct narration to use should be personal transfer or savings movement, because again, that's not an income, that's your money. So it should not get taxed. Number four, someone lends you money. Typically, that's loan. And loan is not an income either. Loan is debt. So the correct narration should be loan received. Now, this is important, especially for business owners and people who borrow loan from, loan apps. Number five, POS operators. Now, for the POS people, if customers are transferring you money, for, POS withdrawal purpose, the correct narration should be POS transaction. Why is that? Well, typically, only your service charge is income, not the whole amount. However, if the customer writes just transfer in the narration, the system may think, wow, this POS guy is actually making millions in sales. And that's how tax issues or tax wahala begins. Number six, business owners selling goods. Now, if you sell things, be clear in your narration. Don't just write payment. Instead, write what that payment is for. Write something like payment for 2 cartons of Indomie or payment for phone repair. This helps separate business income, track expenses properly, and also avoid arguments with the tax, officials. Because Nigeria is moving towards more monitoring, more digital tax enforcement. Ignorance of the law is no excuse at this point, because in 2026, many people will start shouting that they are taxing me unfairly. Oh. But do you know the reply the tax authority will tell you? They will tell you, well, your bank record says it was income, so it's liable to be taxed. So that's why this my message to you is very, very, very important. So the best thing to do now is have separate bank accounts for everything. You know, account for personal use, an account, a separate account for business purpose, and a separate account for investment purpose. Tax is not actually the enemy. The enemy here is confusion. It's really important to note that ignorance is no excuse, and you should know that you could actually be sent to prison for tax evasion. So if this video helped you, help another person by sharing this video, to them, because tax ignorance will be very, very expensive starting next year. Thanks for staying to the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more.